So there's about a month left in the semester, right? I never really got the chance to visit this lounge the students from the Honors College and NT40 were always talking about. So I asked for directions where it was and went to check it out for myself so I could study and plan for my week. On my way there, I had this idea. I should run for president. For MDSO, of course. So I walked in. I really liked the place. I got settled and got to writing for my campaign video. I wanted it to be simple and get my point across, answering the 5 W's. Now here I am. Now that I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and answer a few questions concerning who, what, when, where, and why. So let's get to it. My name is Velasquez. I'm from Plano, Texas, and I'm running to be next year's MDSO president. I'm an incoming senior majoring in rehabilitation studies. I declared for the pre-medical route during my senior year of high school when I completed a series of clinical rotations involving me in the emergency room, the operating room, and many other outpatient clinics for me to understand that medicine is truly what I want to do for a career. I served as president for HOSA at my high school, as well as help out with student council for directing promotional videos for student activities. At the collegiate level, I served as a Bible study leader for an organization here on campus. On the other hand, I also spent a semester being a mentor for the Honors College for freshmen. What's going on?
Remember that thing I was telling you about?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, bro, I aced that, bro.
No way! And as you all know, I served as this year's vice president for MDSO. As president of MDSO next year, I plan to serve as an executive voice and represent the pre-health student body here on campus. MDSO wouldn't be MDSO without you all. So I'd like to endorse our organization to be a family-based community and organization for all pre-health students on campus. Therefore, we can all share our resources and all our opportunities with one another. On top of inviting speakers and medical professionals to our meetings, I want to be able to implement a program, a member-led program, which allows for everyone to be engaged more so with the student activities on campus, as well as with prerequisite classes for their respective health schools. More details to come once policies with student activities are finalized. Next school year. Depending on the student org policies for next year, MDSO will be having in-person meetings as well as offering the Zoom option as well. Why? Because I know what it's like to be in your shoes. I know what it's like to want to be a part of a community where you can be surrounded by esteemed and commemorated members like you all. As a member, I found myself wanting to come back, getting to learn something new, meeting after meeting after meeting. Now, as your president, I plan to exhibit these idealistics. I've been getting a little bit fond of whiteboards. Yeah. There you go.
I ain't taking nothing but wins. Bitch, I just caught me a Benz. Next I'm gon' call me a Porsche. I turn the beat to a course. Bitch, I'm all over from Como to London, LA to New York. You versus me, I keep it real, you a host. I keep roll up my dough. Pop out my car full of smoke.